Hey guys, good morning. So I am working on Project Reaper today, and I realized that the grounding problem that I've had was a on the side of the road quick fix that I said, oh, this is a temporary fix, and I will get back to it later. And that's been like 6 years. But I'm going to fix it correctly today, so that's what we're here for. Okay, and of course, before we start working on anything electrical, we can come back here. Boom! Power's off. Alright, so here is my grounding issue. As we can see, that doesn't look too healthy. That is not the way a ground wire should look. So I'm gonna fix it. Okay, so it looks like this connection has been getting pretty hot, and I'm seeing a lot of corrosion in there. I definitely feel like this is my main grounding problem. And like I said, this was a quick fix on the side of the road, just to kind of get the car back going. And I was like, yeah, I'll fix it later. And I just forgot about it. So, yeah. Now, they make a special tool for crimping these ends. I don't happen to have that special tool. So we're gonna do this. Now, that definitely makes for a nice little before and after. Hey guys, just a friendly reminder, make sure to check out www.torqueracingproduction.com. We have all kinds of car-related gifts, man cave items, merch, you name it. Check it out. And also, don't forget to swing by our Facebook page so that way you can stay up to date on all the latest builds and, of course, our dark humor car memes.